Hi, I'm Catherine from Pollen, and today we're going to show you how to make a pre-made bouquet of flowers from the grocery store into a beautiful arrangement. Obviously, if you have time, please go to a florist to get this done because they can create something absolutely beautiful for you. But if you're in a rush and you need to go to the grocery store, snag a bouquet and I will show you how it's done. The materials you're going to need: a clear tape, a glass vase, a bunch of pre-made grocery flowers, and clippers. Step 1. Fill the vase with water and cut 3x3 strips of clear tape across the length and the width of the vase. Pro tip, make sure you wrap the tape along the top to secure all the strips in. Step 2. Unpack the bouquet and separate out the florals. You want large florals, medium florals, and small florals in 3 sections. Remove all the foliage on the stems. This will make sure that the water isn't murky and it will keep your floral lasting longer. Step 3. Start with the larger flowers and place them in the vase. Make sure you give them a clean cut and cut diagonally so that they will last longer and stay super fresh for you. Place them in a triangle shape. This will create a cohesive movement throughout the arrangement. You want to put 1 flower on the front and 2 on the sides. Step 4, place the medium flowers in the vase, and this time you can kind of play around with it. You can pop them in where the negative spaces and kind of create a good design using your clippers to create them long and short so that they have different heights throughout the arrangement. Pro tip, the sharper the better, so make sure you're cutting it diagonal to make sure that there's lots of water uptake, keeping the flowers super fresh. Step 5, you want to place the smaller flowers in the gaps and place the greenery around the edges of the vase to hide the tape. Please get creative with this one. You can play around with it, have fun. It's meant to be something super quick and easy, so no stress. Another pro tip, keep it out of sunlight and out of drafts. They'll make it last so much longer. Also, keep changing the water every few days to make the floral last. And there you have it, a beautiful bouquet for you to enjoy in the home that's of florist quality. Make sure you subscribe because I have more videos coming your way on Coral, and check us out on Instagram. It's @WeArePollenNation. Thanks, bye.